Real documents you'll need for a Kentucky LLC. Forming a limited liability company in Kentucky gives your business liability protection and tax flexibility. But it all begins with the right documents. To stay compliant, every Kentucky LLC must file specific records with the state. The first requirement is the Articles of Organization. This includes your LLC name, registered agent details, and principal office address. An operating agreement is also highly recommended. It defines ownership, management roles, profit distribution, and how disputes are resolved. This helps your business run smoothly. You'll also need an EIN for taxes and hiring, plus the proper licenses and permits to operate legally. And don't forget to file your annual report with the Kentucky Secretary of State by June 30th each year to keep your LLC in good standing. A reliable registered agent ensures your business stays compliant and protected from unnecessary risks. At Rapid Registered Agent, we bring 18 years of experience navigating complex filing requirements and can connect you with the right attorney if needed. That way, you can focus on growing your business while we manage the legal and administrative work. Visit rapidregisteredagent.com today to give your company the resilience it deserves. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more business protection tips.